Okay, on today's video, we're going to repair this cracked exhaust manifold on this '02 Honda Civic. See the crack right there? What we're going to do is a quick repair on this baby. Let's go ahead and get started. 12. Which? Okay, we need to remove the cover on it. There's 4 bolts. There's 2 number 12s on top and 2 number 10s on bottom. Okay, we're going to be doing Mig Welding on this one to repair that crack on the exhaust manifold. Okay, Josue is doing the Mig Welding here real quick. A couple welds on here. There it is there. Repaired. Let's put the cover back on and take this baby for a test. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.